Okay guys, we're gonna go into this antique store here. You've got me and Noah today, and we just left an auction. We didn't stay very long. We stayed for about an hour. We bought some stuff and it wasn't very good stuff, so we decided we were gonna try our luck going into the antique store and see what we can find. So come along with us, and we will hit it right after the introduction. See ya.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
We're back up here at the flea market, and they still have all the video game equipment here. They have the Pokemon Sun and Moon and the DS XL and the PS2, and none of it sold. This is one of my big pet peeves. Like, this stuff just does not do really well in a flea market antique mall type setting when you put like the top dollar price on it. It's pretty cool, but it just doesn't sell very well. Okay guys, we found a really cool booth. There are a lot of toys in this booth. I like the BB-8 here. We've got this really big like Batman thing standing out here in the middle of the floor. Definitely in the way. I almost tripped over him. I do love this. This is absolutely awesome. I love the Bumblebee mask. That's super cool. It's missing the back part of it, unfortunately, but it is I want to say it's like $12.99. Noah, look at this. What is that? That's a Mercedes. Look at that. That's freaking awesome. How much is that?
$9.99.
Ooh, that's pretty cool. You like that?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
You can pick out one item here, so if you find something you like.
I go with that.
You like the Mustang? Oh, that is pretty cool.
Convertible in
yeah, just like our, well, we had a Cobra.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like the backpacks too. A lot of neat stuff here. I do love the Kylo Ren soldier over here, but this, like, I don't know what the heck this thing is, but it's some kind of a thing you hang up on the wall. I don't know. It's like a lightsaber. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that before. I've never seen that in the store. Got some Power Rangers. Here's it. That's cool. That is cool. Not Poe. What was the black dude's name in Star Wars? I'll have to put it up on the screen because I can't remember it. Poe was the pilot. That's cool. Look at the Captain America. That's the shield throwing Captain America. See? But he doesn't have the shield, so that sucks. That sucks. Let me slide around you here, boy. Look. Oh my gosh, who is that? Is that like one of the Royals? I don't know. I don't keep up the Royals because they're not important to me. A lot of neat stuff in this booth. This is what I want the store to look like. I just got to get out there and find a bunch of it. It looks like this is the people that beats me to all the stuff at the flea markets and the Goodwill. Not too bad. Love R2-D2, C-3PO. That's really cool. Electronic Bank. I like that a lot. I love these 3 Tonka trucks here. That one's broke. I believe it looks like it might be broke. It's 45 bucks, and then you have the one here for 75. I love the ones with the green windows in it, if you kind of see. I just listed an earth mover or an excavator. I'm not really good with my trucks, but I listed one on eBay for 100 bucks. If you're ever out, if you see those, they're cheap. Pick them up. He's kind of cool. Here's a rocket raccoon, but it's like a backpack from Guardians of the Galaxy. He's 10 bucks. Kind of dirty. I'm going to leave him behind, but that is really cool. If it was like 5 bucks, I'd be all over it. I'm just cheap. Your dad's cheap. Just a cheap dad. I like this little Megatron figure here. I think that's really cool. What'd you find? Yeah. Oh yeah, that is cool. Yeah. Here's a nice Star Wars VCR game up there. If you like the VCR games, those would come in pretty handy. A couple of episode 1 puzzles too. Nothing I'm interested in though. Nothing at all. Something me and Noah found here. If you're starting to find a lot of people are resealing these VHS tapes. This one's a resealed. Some of them are actually older reseals. Like this one here. This came from Schnucks, and Schnucks would sell their movies after they rented them out. Other video stores did the same. They would reseal them. This one looks good, but typically there would be like some kind of line, but this might be, because if you look, it's got the Universal Studios. This is their shrink wrap, so this might be a pretty good VCR tape because it's factory sealed. You got to be careful. You got to be looking, because you just never know what you're going to find. See, here's an example. This is another one here, too. It's Warner Home Video, so that one's factory sealed as well, but the seal on it ain't that great, so you got to be careful. People are getting sneakier. I absolutely love this red truck. That's so cool. How neat is that? Looks like it's handmade out of wood. It's too cool. That would look great, like if you had like a produce stand or something like that, fill it full of produce, and that would be
corn in it or something.
Corn, yeah, that'd be pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I love these tandem bicycles, but I figured it'd be really hard to ride. I'd probably about kill myself on it. Please do not touch. I won't. Wait. Oh, I'm a bad guy.
Air pretty good.
This is absolutely fantastic. I love this couch. I wonder how much it is. That's pretty crazy. That's neat. It's got a matching chair too. Here's a ticket. Let's see what it says. $250. Mid-century modern. I bought that chair that have a picture of Noah on Instagram in it, and I paid $2.50. So yeah, not gonna happen today. We found a bunch of die-cast cars over here. There's there's a Porsche Boxster. That's $9 because everything's 50% off, and then there's a regular Porsche down there. And how much was that? 20?
Yeah, it was 20. So that would be.
How much is that?
This is $9.99.
If you want one of those, you can have it. You just gotta pick one. You want the regular Porsche or the Boxster?
Probably the Boxster, honestly.
You might want to check it out. Make sure all of the because it's missing the side mirror on it. That's the problem with those cars out of the box. I mean, if you want it, you can have it, but you know, it is missing the mirror.
And it's not exactly the year that I like. I
Yeah.
like the 90s.
Just so that if you're going to get the other one, just, okay, that's fine. Whatever you want to do. I don't want you to, there you go. Okay, that has to be one of the ugliest dogs I've ever seen, stuffed animals. That is creepy. Totally creepy. We got a ton of comics here. I don't have time to look through all of them, but I love these superhero Johnny Lightning cars. Those are freaking awesome. Here's some Kiss, Alice Cooper, Nugent. Some individual action figures. Oh, that's really cool. I love Spawn figures. They're the coolest. Hawkeye. Here's some more figures in here. Some Spawn. Spawn. A lot of Spawn stuff. Jason Static would have a good time here. That is the biggest nutcracker that I've ever seen in my life. Does he have a thing on the back? Does his mouth open? No, it don't. It don't open and close. I don't know. I don't think so. It don't. But look at these nutcrackers. That's crazy. It's kind of creepy. It looks like they're gonna like eat your soul or something. That's insane. Okay, this has to be the coolest thing ever. Is it like it's like a hair dryer, but like it's a duck. How crazy is that? How much is it? What's that price tag say?
$15.
Not too bad. Quacks me up. Okay, Noah, what did we find here?
We got this 100th anniversary Matchbox Mustang duo.
Let me get that up here. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's 100 years. I was like, Mustang hasn't been around since for 100 years. So like they've only been around since like 1964 and a half. But that's pretty cool. And then we got this factory sealed Jean-Claude Van Damme sudden death. That's pretty cool, factory sealed. And then Noah got a really detailed Porsche 911. What is that, about a 98?
93.
93. Wow, that's pretty awesome. But that thing is super detailed. He was pretty excited to get it. It was 50% off. Look how detailed that motor is, and inside it's pretty awesome. But he got that for 50% off, so he got it for $10. So we did pretty good. I think we spent like, what was it, 22 bucks, 23 bucks, not too bad. So we are going to call the video here, and we will talk to you guys later. If you would be kind enough to go down and hit that like button, that would be awesome. And maybe even subscribe if you want to see more content like this. That would be great. We'll talk to you later. Bye.